do want to make a full face using Dollar Tree makeup. If this video gets to 2,000 likes, I would definitely do it. Hi, your pita chips, welcome back to another video. I'm so happy to see you once again. How are you today? How's your day going? Today we're outside of the Dollar Tree and we are going to go to the makeup section and see what's new. If you guys don't remember, I used to do these videos a long time ago, but honestly I don't even know why I stopped doing them. So I used to come to the Dollar Tree, show you guys what was new in the makeup section, and you guys loved it. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do one of those videos this week, because who doesn't love makeup that's super affordable, and who doesn't like coming shopping? So we're gonna go into Dollar Tree and see what we can find. So let's go. It's so gloomy today. It's supposed to rain this whole week, but we'll see. All right, there's the Dollar Tree. So shall we see what we can find? Let's go. Ooh, these are pretty flowers. All right, I grabbed a basket, but I just was walking by and I saw this cup. It's only $1. I think I'm gonna take it because it's that cute. Okay, now let's go to the makeup section. So they have this mascara from Color Mates, this e.l.f. Jumbo Lip Gloss Stick in pink. More mascara, but this one's from LA Colors. Literally this whole section here is just mascara. They have e.l.f. liquid eyeliner, which I'm definitely gonna need this one. It's actually pretty good. They have more e.l.f. Jumbo lip glosses. They have an e.l.f. eyebrow lifter and filler in ivory and in light. Blind Thing mascara from Beauty Benefits. This is kind of like a new connection that they added. I have another one of the e.l.f., but that one's Sculpt and Glow Duo Stick in light medium. Okay, they have this LA Colors Dramatic Lash Mascara, defining lashes and defining black. I have these LA Colors loose eyeshadow pigments, which these are actually pretty good even as highlighters. This one's in Honeysuckle, Lollipop, and they have this one back here in Grape Jelly. And they have these LA Colors pressed powder. These are new actually, in ivory. Beauty Benefits pressed powder, radiant finish, silky smooth formula all day wear. Oh, this is a foundation powder. This one looks kind of different though. Okay, there's that one. They're LA Colors. Oh, they have these, more of the pigments. This one is in Radiant. That looks pretty. And then this one down here, which is Snow White. More of the LA Colors pressed powder, and this one's in beige, and then honey and more honey. More of the pressed powders. This one's in Oud Tawny, and then this one LA Colors pressed powder. And then they have these foundations, which they don't look so good, but I think I'm gonna have to take one of those. A flawless eyeshadow and browns blush from e.l.f. They have literally this whole section is just blush. Hydrating lipstick by LA Colors, lip color in coral sheen. I think, oh, they have coral sheen, nectarine, bright pink, and those are all the colors they have. Beauty Benefits silky blush, long lasting formula, lightweight, and bubblegum. Oh, I have not seen these. These are new actually. Yeah, that's why. Lip duo contour pencil and rock candy. They have lip glosses by Beauty Benefits, sparkling lip gloss and glitz, ethereal strawberry lip gloss, and crepe lip gloss, and then the rouge one. These actually look so pretty. They have e.l.f. lip kiss balm. There's Spirit Kiss, more Bear Kiss, LA Colors highlighter palette. Look how pretty these are. And then this one, which is Playful, which supposedly they're new, but I've seen them. There's Playful, Holly, LA Colors all-in-one makeup lipstick in pink satin. More of the Beauty Benefits, Biscotti, Hazelwood, Earth, Jam, and then this one is in Merlot and Jam again. They have this e.l.f. Shimmering Facial Whip Pink Lemonade. This one's like for highlight or slash blush. You can use them for either or. Oh, I had not seen this one. This one is actually new. I had not seen it. LA Colors Contour, Sculpt and Shape Your Face in deep and tan, in medium, and in light. So it looks like they have all the colors here. That's really good. They have this e.l.f. Flawless Face Powder in ivory. All of these are in ivory right here. This is the e.l.f. That's the e.l.f. All Over Color Stick Pink Lemonade. This one's perfect for highlighting. It's the same thing as this one, except this one's in a little tube and this one is like in a stick formula. And they're all in the pink lemonade shade, as you guys can see. And they have the sponges, cosmetic wedges, triangle sponges. And then here they have e.l.f. moisturizing lipstick, Flirty and Fabulous. Looks like they're all in Flirty and Fabulous. And then they have this. This is the Age Defy Dark Circle and Puffiness Serum. Sparkle Sweat Treatment Mask and more treatment mask. Let's see, they have the Wet n Wild brushes, the angled liner, small eyeshadow, and small eyeshadow, all the way up there, as you guys can see. Alright, then down here they have the LA Colors Conceal Correct green, lavender, peach, yellow, and as a highlighter. So it looks like here they're restocked in everything, which is actually pretty nice. And then they have these metal lipsticks by LA Colors, which I had not seen. They have it in Modern, Melted, and then Bronze. And the lip balms. Cheap Ice Lip Balm, Watermelon, Blue Raspberry, Cheap Ice Lip Balm. This one's medicated, the one that they sent me, and then Carmex, and then tweezers. I don't know if I forgot to tell you guys, but I want to do a full face of Dollar Tree makeup, and I have a list. So I have for my eyebrows so far. Then I need to contour, which I'm gonna take in probably medium. Yeah, so I'm gonna grab a medium and put these back. Pressed powder, let's get ivory. Let's do that. I'm gonna get a peach concealer. I was trying to find this concealer in light, but they only have it in nude. And then look what I found, this Doe Intensive Cream Nourishing Care. I think I'm going to use this for my primer. So I'm still trying to see what other stuff I can find. I'm trying to dig through like everything, because usually they have like a mess. But I think so far I'm going to get this. Alright guys, here I found some more sparkling lip glosses in Terra, Berry, Ethereal, Ruby, Jerry Glitz, and Scarlet. These are lip liners. And then I found the exact same ones, but they're like in a tube version. So Crepe, Strawberry, Watermelon, Belette, Rosette, and Rouge. And then all of these are pressed powders. These are oil-free formula lightweight bronzers. Punch, Cinnamon, Hazelwood, Sepia, Biscotti, Punch, Flamingo, Crispin, Jam, and Merlot. These are all blushes. And then these are eyeshadow trios in Aqua, Earth, Vamp, Evening, and Classic. And then these mascara. I have all the goodies. We're gonna go home and do a haul. Oh my god, it was so hot in there in the Dollar Tree. I think the AC was not working. You guys had no idea. Like, my pits are sweating right now. And now we are in my room, and I'm gonna do a haul of all the items that I got at the Dollar Tree. I did get a couple of items. Like I told you guys, I do want to make a full face using Dollar Tree makeup. If this video gets to 2,000 likes, I would definitely do it. You guys know that in the mystery box that I ordered, majority of the products that I got were from the Dollar Tree. So I just picked out the items that I needed to do the rest of the full face. So I'm going to show you guys really quickly. I also got some random stuff that was just so cute that I couldn't leave behind. So I'm going to show you guys. Alright, the first thing that I got is this bag like bothering you guys. I'll probably just, you know what, let me take everything out of the bag and then show you. Alright, everything is out of the bag, so I'm going to start off with like the random items. I did get this little cup right here. It has a glitter all around it, and it was just $1. The thing is, when I go to the Dollar Tree, I just see like the cutest thing ever, and I just have to pick them up because in my mind, I'm just like, Peta, it's only $1. Like if I would go to a regular store, I'd be like, okay, $6 for this, like I don't need it. Okay, like $3 for these stickers, I don't need it. But in my mind, I'm just like, everything's $1. Like I can take everything that I want and like for $10 get 10 items. So that's the thing that like I have an issue with when I go to the Dollar Tree. My mindset is just it's $1. It's okay. That's like my issue. But I did get this one, which I thought it was super cute. I don't know, I have like this thing where I was like, oh my god, it looks super cute, and I'm like driving and like sipping on my tea. I don't even drink tea, but see, like the things that my mind says for me to buy things, it's crazy. So I got that one, which I thought was really cute. Then I picked up stickers, which don't ask me why I got stickers, just look at these. Oh, are they not the cutest thing ever? And like they were literally $1. Now moving on to the fun stuff, we're gonna move on to the makeup. So what I bought right now was kind of just to complete the full face. So let's start off with this, which I thought was pretty interesting. It's a Dove Intense Cream Nourishing Care. It looks like that. Once you open it up, it was closed. I had to make sure it was sealed because I was like, I don't want to take anything home that's open. So this one right here. I thought I would use this as my primer, which I think would be really good. Plus, I can use it for like an everyday thing for my face. And if I really like it, I'll go back and buy it. It was just $1. Then I got this Beauty Benefits Lengthening Mascara in black. Okay, this mascara looked pretty interesting. There was the one from LA Colors, which I showed you guys. But the wand for this one, let's open it up. The wand for this one looked a little bit better. Like it just looked like it was gonna get a better job done. But we're gonna see. And I did get it in black. It's actually a pretty good length for a mascara. It comes with 0.17 full ounces. That's the wand. The wand actually does not look that bad. I mean, it doesn't look like the picture, if we're being honest, because in the picture I was like, hey, that's pretty neat. It looks like the one from LA Colors, so it looks like they fooled me. But it's okay, maybe it will work. That's why I want to do a full face of Dollar Tree makeup, because maybe some of the products that are at Dollar Tree are really good. We just don't know it because we don't give it a try, right? So I got this one. Since we're already talking about beauty benefits, I got this Beauty Benefits eyeliner pencils in black. Well, one is in black and one is in brown. I don't know if you guys can probably catch that, but this one's the black one, this one's the brown one. It's basically just an eyeliner for your waterline, and lately I've been really into eyeliners for your waterline. It just makes your eyes look more like sexy and more put together. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try these out, because the one from Urban Decay that I use is like $27 and that one was $1. So if I like that one better, you already know which one I'm gonna use. Then I got from Beauty Benefits as well, this is like a new brand that they put out in the Dollar Tree. This brand, I believe it came out probably like 2 to 3 months ago. It was not there before, but I actually kind of like it. It's kind of nice and I like the packaging, super cute. It's this Beauty Benefits liquid eyeliner in black. Okay, it was either this one or the e.l.f. The e.l.f. one, I have tried it, I know I like it, but I wanted to keep like an open mind and try new things. So this one, I want to go ahead and try it out. Not right now, but I do want to see what the wand looks like, because you guys know that I like them to be like really thin tips, felt tips. So let's see. Okay, what kind of threw me off too is that it was black, but it looks purple. Like the bottle looks purple. Oh, dang it, it is purple. Oh my god, they tricked me. Okay, but look, guys, I'm not mistaken. It says black. I don't know if you guys can really see. It says black and it turned out to be purple. But I guess we're gonna have a very colorful look. Then from also Beauty Benefits, I got the sparkling lip gloss in crepe, and I actually want to test this one out because when I saw it in the store, it looks so sparkly and so pretty, and I want to go ahead and test it out. So different from testing it to your hand versus like your actual face. So that's why I'm not really worried about testing all this stuff. Ooh, it smells like cinnamon with vanilla. I'm living for this smell. Oh my god, you know what it smells like? It smells like agua de horchata. That's what it smells like. It smells like horchata. Oh my god, yes. Okay, let's see. Let's do a couple of those swatches. Okay, so it's definitely not like a big deal. It's definitely just like, I don't even know if you guys can really tell. But it smells like just like a lip gloss with like pink like glitter speckles. Not that big of a deal, not so pretty, but I am a huge fan of the smell. Like literally it smells like horchata. Something that I'm super excited to try out is the LA Colors Contour Sculpt and Shape Your Face. These are actually new and I was so glad they had every single color. You guys have no idea. They had light, medium, and then deep. Usually they always have like just light or just deep, but they had medium. Today, it was really nice that I went early in the morning to the Dollar Tree because they had everything. They were stocked up on all different skin tones. So I'm so happy that I got a medium and it looks pretty nice. I was gonna get a powder to set my face, but I kind of figured we'll give this one a try and test it out. Then I got this LA Colors Loose Eyeshadow, which I could use it as my eyeshadow, but I already have 2 palettes. But I did get this one because I want to test it out as a highlight, and it is in the color Honeysuckle, and it's like this pretty gold color, and oh my god, I was just picturing it as the highlight. So beautiful. So I got this one, and then also super excited and super happy and pretty shocked that they had this moisturizing foundation in medium. Like I'm telling you guys, usually Dollar Tree is pretty like emptied out, everything is everywhere, but today they had really good varieties and they had this one in medium, which kind of looks like my skin tone color. The only thing, this is a moisturizing foundation, so I already know I'm gonna have to layer this up so much, but it's worth a shot. I just wanted to do, I want to do like a full face to show you guys that you don't have to spend like a lot of money to do your makeup really good. So I'm kind of hoping that everything is gonna work out. Okay, then for my brows, I got this e.l.f. eyebrow lifter and filler in ivory and in light. Looks like this. Super excited for this one, except I don't know how I'm gonna feel about the pencil because the tips are very chunky, and I don't know how that's gonna go with trying to fill in my brows, because usually I like to be very precise and I use very thin pencils and everything, but worth a try. I'll see. It's all about trying new things, and maybe I'll end up liking it, maybe I won't. But I also really like that it also comes with its kind of highlighter to clean it up and to lift up your brows. That's pretty nice. So I got this one. Then I got this, which I'm so excited for also. It's LA Colors Conceal Correct. This one is in peach and it's a concern for dark circles. So this is to cover up my dark circles. I really want to try it out because LA Colors is actually not that bad. It's pretty affordable, but I have tried some products of them that I really do like, so I really want to test this out if it really works for dark circles. Lately I haven't been getting much sleep, so I can definitely use that underneath my eye area. So we're gonna test it out and see if it really works. I got this Wet n Wild, and this is the crease brush. Now these brushes are so good, and they are literally $1, just $1. So when I saw this one, it's kind of like a blending brush. I can never have enough blending brushes. They are the best thing in the world. So I got this one, which is the crease brush, and I'm really excited to put it to the test and see if it works. I already have another brush also from Wet n Wild, so I'm gonna have 2 brushes that I can work with. Last but not least, it is this LA Colors Concealer Anti-Crease, and this is new supposedly. It's a nude. I was looking for like a light color, but they only had nude, just because I compared these two and they looked a little similar. Obviously this one is a little bit more peachier, and it is to correct your under eye circles, and then this one looked a little kind of like my skin tone color. It didn't look like it was gonna brighten my under eye area, but I kind of figured I'll give it a try, see what it's all about. Maybe it works. I definitely was looking for a light. I was digging like underneath all the piles in the baskets and everything, and I did not find it, but I'll just stick with this one with nude. Hopefully it ends up working. So these are all the items that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It's actually kind of fun going to the Dollar Tree just because everything is literally $1. Like I'm telling you guys, I bought like the most randomest things, but I know I'm gonna put them to use, so that's kind of good. And I know you guys love these videos when you guys come shopping with me, and it's just super fun. I want to, you know, like I'm telling you guys, I want to do the full face to kind of also test myself and see what I'm capable of doing with the dollar makeup, just because some of these products I honestly don't think they're gonna be that bad. I just feel like some of these products are actually pretty good, but they don't get enough credit. Like everyone just looks at them like, oh, dollar makeup, you know? So I want to put them to the test, see if they actually work, see how my makeup's gonna look. I also, when I do that full face, I want to do like check-ins to see how the makeup holds. I want to do that because I think that'd be pretty interesting as well. So like I said, if this video does get to 2,000 thumbs up, I would definitely film that video probably this week and then upload it for you guys next week. I love you guys so much. If you're new to the family, don't forget to subscribe so you can be part of the Pita Chef family. And that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys! Make sure you're subscribed so you can watch all of my videos, and if you want to keep on watching more and more videos, make sure to check out yesterday's video. You are not going to want to miss it. It's amazing. Also, if you want to get to know me a little bit better, make sure to subscribe to that vlogging channel right there. And if you can't get enough of me, here is my Spanish channel, so you can go ahead and subscribe. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you tomorrow.